Hey children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. So we have ICT subject here. So what are all the concepts we learnt in last week? Can you tell me? We are seeing the lesson revision of level 2. In that last week we learnt computer input and output devices and the correct ways to use computer. So what are the input devices of computer? Mouse and keyboard. What are the inputs given by them? For mouse, by clicking, and in keyboard by typing. What are the output devices of the computer? Printer, speaker and a monitor. What are the outputs from them? In monitor you can see images, and in speaker you can hear sounds, and in printer you can take printout. These are the things we learnt in computer input and output devices. And in correct ways to use computer, we learnt how to maintain a correct posture while using the computer and some few points related to that. Have you all clear about the children? Yes. Shall we move to the today's concept? Yes. So here also we have revision of level 2. In that we are going to recall files and folders, activities using keyboard and activities using mouse. So files and folders. Files and folders in the sense, suppose you are drawing a picture in a computer. Okay, so after drawing that picture, what you will do? We will save that picture. So after saving that one, it will saved as a file. Okay, files are used to store pictures, songs and so on. So we will have n number of files in the computer. It may be a video file, and it may be a movies, and it may be a family photos of your, okay, everything. Okay, so for keep those things in a proper place, what we are using? Folders. So why we are using folders? Used to keep related files together. Okay, so for example, if you are creating any picture or something else, you can create a space in your computer and you can store it. Okay, for example, in your home, you people will go to grocery shop and buy some things. Okay, and the things comprises of household and your stationary things, playing things, everything. Can you able to keep the sport items in your kitchen? No. Can you keep the kitchen items in your bedroom? No. So wherever the correct location, that places only you have to keep that particular things, isn't it? Likewise, you have to keep the related files in the correct folders. Now we are going to see how to create the folders in computer. Okay, so first one, you have to right click on your mouse button. Okay, so where on the desktop empty space. Okay, after clicking that you can able to see the option new. You have to click that one. After that you have to able to see a dialog box, right? Menu options. First one, there will be folder. That one you have to click. After click it, you have can able to see that folder has been created. Okay, for example, here I have shown a picture, right? So here there is a image file, this is a photo file is there. So and there is a folder to be moved. For example, first one, the step is select the file to be moved. To select the file, what click you have to use? Left click. So next one, you have to drag the file using the mouse to the required folder. Where the folder is there, you have to move to that, and then you have to release the mouse button and drop the file into the folder. Likewise, you have to move the file into the folder. So the folder name should be related to the file which you are saving. Okay, so this is my folder, so I have given my name. Okay, so then I have moved the file into my folder. Okay children, next, so you can able to see in the first picture the icons are scattered here and there. Okay, and in next picture I have arranged how we have to reorganize these icons. First step, you have to select the file, okay, or icon to be moved, and drag the file using the mouse to the required folder. Okay, required folder in the sense required location, and then release the mouse button and drop the file in that required position. Okay children, yes, likewise you have to reorganize the icons on the desktop. Okay, next one, we have activities using keyboard. We have used keyboard in grade 2, right? What application we have used, ma? That is a text editor application. That is nothing but gedit. So this is the gedit application. After opening the gedit application, you can able to see the small blinking line like that. What is that called? Cursor. Yes, yes. So here we are going to see the various functions of the keys of the keyboard. So in that we are going to see what is caps lock key, delete key, page up, backspace, arrow keys, page down. Okay, so caps lock key. So if you want to type the letters, we have letter keys in keyboard, right? If you want to type in capital letters, you have to use caps lock key. And if you want to, suppose you have completed one line, if you want to move to the next line, what key you have to use? Enter key to go to the next line. And to move the cursor, we have seen that small blinking line, right? To move the cursor up, down, left and right, you have to use the arrow keys. And if you want to erase the letter left of the cursor, what key you have to use? Backspace. Okay, and then if you want to erase the letter right of the cursor, you have to use delete key. For erasing the letters alone, we have two keys. If it is a left of the cursor, you have to use backspace. If it is a right of the cursor, you have to use the delete key. If you want to go to the top of the page, what key you have to use? Page up. If you want to go to the bottom of the page, what key you have to use? Page down. Have you all clear about, children? Yes. Next one, we have activities using mouse. Already you have learnt in grade 1 itself, right? So it is the picture of the mouse. You have left button, right button and small scroll wheel button and the mouse wire. So this wire will be connected to the CPU. Okay, and you have clicks. Okay, right click, left click and scroll, isn't it? Yes. Left click, by using left click, what you can do, you can select the activity, and right click to control the activity. To double click, we will use to start an activity, scroll button to move page up and down. One simple example, same TuxPaint application we are going to open. First, what you have to do, you have to select that application by using left key, left click. Okay, and if you want to open that application, what click you have to use? Double click. Okay, to control that application, you have to use the right click. Understood, children? Yes. So here you have your vocabulary words: file, folder, drag, drop, release, caps lock, enter, page up, page down, backspace, delete, double click, right click, left click, scroll button. Practice these vocabulary words, read aloud and practice in your notebook. Okay, and then you have worksheet activity number 1. Here the folders are there: video folder, music folder, photos folder. Here the files are down. You have to organize the files into their folders by drawing the lines. Okay children, so rose photo.png, rhymes, video and national anthem song, you have to move it in their correct folders. And second one, who am I? So first question, I am the key used to type in capital letter, who am I? And I am the key used to erase the letter left of the cursor, who am I? I am the key used to move the cursor up, down, left and right, who am I? I am the key used to go to next line, who am I? I am the key used to go to the top of the page, who am I? This is your worksheet activity number 2. And worksheet activity number 3, the first question, you have to draw the mouse and label the parts. And second one, you have to circle the words related to computer mouse. Okay, so practice the worksheet activities well and practice the vocabulary words well. Okay, finally, thank you students.